should be a great basketball season here in Philadelphia. There are a lot of good teams, and we think we should be one of them. We have, like some of the other teams up here, nearly everyone back, 4 or 5 starters. We have really good guards. Coming back, we have Tyreek Durden, a Philadelphia guard, who coaches know is one of the best guards in the A-10 and beyond, but I think this year his reputation will start to spread beyond that. I think he's terrific. Ramon Galloway, another Philadelphia guard, was a huge addition for us last year, a great defender, tremendous energy. And then Sam Bills. Our first recruiting class with Rodney Green and Kamani Barrett and Hugh Congo, they graduated a few years ago, and we needed to replace them with kind of a new core group. And our first 2 commitments were Tyreek Durden and Sam Bills, and when we got those 2, I knew we were building on very strong ground. Sam is just tremendously dependable and a real proven player. We lost Earl Pettis, which is a loss. Earl, another Philly player, and did a great job for us. But I think 2 guys will step it up. DJ Peterson, who played a lot last year as a freshman, a 6'5" guard out of Minnesota, does a lot of similar things to what Earl does. So we think he'll be better. Tyrone Darling misses our first 7 games as a transfer from Virginia Tech, but we kind of look at him from a depth point of view as the guy to take a lot of Earl's minutes, and we think he's very similar to our other guards. So I think our group of guards is as deep and as a group as talented as most other teams, so we're really excited about them. We had a very special young big guy last night named Jarrell Wright. People, I think, judge freshmen far too early. Kids get better. Now that we're allowed to practice with them in the summer, kids weight train all summer. They're motivated kids, and they spend most of the summer on campus and summer school, and they just get better. But one guy who I think almost everyone still would have evaluated well as a freshman was Jarrell Wright. He was Big 5 Rookie of the Year last year from Dobbins High School, and he was just the 3rd that I know of. Maybe the other guys know of someone else, but to let you know how hard it is as a freshman big guy to contribute right away, I've seen freshman big guys come in and play on teams that struggle because they need someone. But it's rare that a freshman big guy comes onto a good team and makes a team good and contributes right away. Lavoy Allen did it at Temple, Jarrell Wright did it for us, and Chris Wright did it at Dayton. And other than that, those are the only 3 guys I can think of who've done that in the A-10. So we think very highly of Jarrell, and we think he's better. But we need some other guys to come around. We think one of the most improved players on our program is a 6'11" kid named Steve Zach that we're excited about. So we think we have a chance. Our schedule is tough, like Jay mentioned. We open up against Carleton, the defending Canadian national champions, tomorrow night after Jay plays them. Jay did mention that in the summer they beat a good University of Buffalo team, they beat a good Northeastern team, they lost to the 18th ranked team in the country, UNLV, by 4. So both Jay and I are going to have our hands full in a test that's really going to make us better. And after that, in terms of the A-10, I think that there's 8, 9, maybe even 10 teams that realistically are thinking they have a chance at the NCAA tournament, which is a huge number in college basketball. But I'll give you an idea of who the 14th, 13th, and another losing team beat in our conference last year. Our last place team beat Georgia Tech. Our 13th place team beat Boston College. A team with a losing record in the conference beat Wake Forest. And that's not the top of our league now, that's the bottom of the league. So the A-10 is going to be better than ever. A year from now, we lose one of the best programs in the country with Temple. But like Jay said, they've addressed their needs. You know, we lose a great program and we bring in 2 great ones with Butler and VCU. So the challenge is great, and someone has to lose. We certainly hope it's not us, but I think we'll all enjoy great basketball this year. So thanks for having me.